Detailed case summary Smith v. Selwyn, 1914, is a notable case in English tort law that addressed the interplay between civil and criminal proceedings. The core issue revolved around whether a civil action could be pursued when the underlying facts of the case also constituted a criminal offense. Background facts: claimant plaintiff, Smith defendant, Selwyn. Background facts: Smith was a passenger in a vehicle driven by Selwyn. During the journey, due to Selwyn's alleged negligent driving, Smith sustained injuries. Smith sought to recover damages for these injuries through a civil lawsuit against Selwyn. However, the circumstances of the case also potentially gave rise to criminal charges against Selwyn for the same negligent act that resulted in Smith's injuries. Argument in the court case: plaintiff's argument. Smith argued that Selwyn's negligent driving caused his injuries and sought compensation for the harm suffered. He maintained that regardless of any potential criminal liability, he was entitled to pursue a civil remedy for his personal injuries. Defendant's argument: Selwyn contended that the civil action should not proceed as the facts underpinning the case constituted a criminal offense. He argued that allowing the civil claim to move forward before the criminal matter was resolved would be inappropriate and contrary to legal principles. Final outcome and legal justification. Final outcome: the court ruled in favor of Selwyn, holding that Smith's civil action could not proceed at that time. The judgment was based on the principle that where the facts of a case constitute a criminal offense, the criminal proceedings should take precedence over any civil action. Legal justification: the court's decision was rooted in the principle of legal precedence and the need to avoid conflicting outcomes in civil and criminal proceedings. The ruling underscored the importance of resolving the criminal aspects of a case before addressing civil claims to ensure that justice is served comprehensively and coherently. The court noted that allowing a civil action to proceed when criminal proceedings were pending could lead to inconsistent judgments and undermine the integrity of the judicial system. Key concept: the implication of the Smith v. Selwyn, 1914 case is significant for understanding the relationship between civil and criminal law. The case established a clear precedent that criminal proceedings take precedence over civil actions when both arise from the same set of facts. This principle helps maintain the integrity and consistency of the legal system by ensuring that criminal matters are addressed first. Key learnings: legal practitioners should prioritize criminal proceedings when advising clients whose cases involve potential criminal liability. Civil claims related to the same facts as criminal charges should generally be stayed until the criminal matters are resolved. This case highlights the judiciary's approach to balancing the resolution of civil and criminal matters to prevent conflicting outcomes and ensure comprehensive justice.